Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Al-Maida, ayat number 10 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب الجحيم. والذين مخرج of واو circling your lips, fatha open jaws, attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. The, make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ka, kaf is light. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fa, give hamza before fa. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Uru, ra is heavy. For dhamma circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Kad, for fatha open jaws attached with dal, dal will get sifa of rakhawa. And rakhawa is flow of sound. And for fatha, the sound will be short. The, boo, for dhamma circular lips, make it 2 counts long. B, for kasra, give e sound. Hamza is very sharp, make it 2 counts long. Yeah, keep it soft and 2 counts long. T, for kasra, give e sound. Na, 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. U, for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. La, 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. E, for kasra, give e sound. Ka, kaf is light and soft. For fatha open jaws. Ka, the sound is short. As, for fatha, hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, that is sad. Sad will get sifa of raqawa, and it is heavy and it has safid. As, ha, give hums on ha, and it should be from your throat. For fatha open jaws, make it 2 counts long. Ha, wool, for dhamma circular lips attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ja, for fatha open jaws. Heem, you're giving temporary sukoon on meme. That is bringing here tawassut. Yes, tawassut on meme. And this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. This is called madarid lis sukoon. Jahim. Yeah. 4 counts long. Ay. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attached with ya. Here, ya is with tashdid. And we are bringing in nabar. And nabar is jump of sound. When we are attaching hamza with ya, here we are applying nabar. Ay. And then for dhammas, the circle your lips and ya will be soft. You, hal, for fatha open jaws attached lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. La, for fatha open jaws, the 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp, make it 2 counts long. Ma, for fatha open jaws, nud, for dhamma circle your lips attached with dal, dal gets sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Nudku, for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Oru, ra is heavy, make it 2 counts long. And for dhamma circle lips, nia, for kasra, give e sound attached with the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. The tawassut is medium flow of sound. Nia, ma, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Taw, ta is light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Taw, give tawassut on lam and then make it 2 counts long. La, he, for kasra, give e sound. Ain from your throat. For fatha open jaws. Lay, this is harf leen, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Lay, for the circular lips attached with me, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Id, hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound attached with dal, dal get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Id, for fatha open jaws attached with meme, will get sifa of tawassut. Sorry, it will get gunna. And This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ham. And with fatha, the sound will be very short. Ma. Qaw. Qaf, make qaf heavy and make it soft and make it 2 counts long because this is harfleen. This is vowleen. قوم. The sifa is tawassut and ruling is idhar. Mun. I. Hamza is very sharp. Fatha upon jaws and give idgham. This idgham is with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. I. Yab. Keep ya soft and for fatha upon jaws attached ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. When you're opening your makhraj of ba, that brings qalqala. But you are not opening your jaws. Opening your jaws will bring in fatha. So you are not giving fatha on ba, but you are giving qalqala. And that is totally different from fatha. Yab. Yab. Su. Seen is light. For dhamma, circle your lips, and the sound is short. Ooh, for dhamma, circle your lips, make it 4 counts long. This is mad. Munfasil. Ja is to. E. For kasra, give E sound. Lay. Make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Kum. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut. Tawassut is medium flow of sound. I. Hamza is very sharp. Attach with ya. This is harfleen. Make it soft and make it 2 counts long. I. D. For kasra, give E sound. Yeah. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hum. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut. F. Give hums on fa. With fatha, the sound will be very short. F. Kaf. Keep kaf light and attach it fa. Fa will get sifa of hums. Kaf. And rakhawa. Kaf. And then with fatha, the sound will be short. F. I. Hamza is very sharp. Fatha open jaws, attach it ya. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. D. For kasra, give E sound. Ya. For fatha open jaws. Hum. For dhamma, circular lips, attach with meme. You will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. And this there is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is like idhar, but mechanism is different. So it will be ikhfa. Ankum. For the circle ellipse attached with meme, we will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. What for wow, circle ellipse, fatha open jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sharp sound, no flow of breath or sound here. What? And then for fatha open jaws, ta, the sound is short with fatha. Qul, qaf, make qaf heavy. For dhamma, circle ellipse attached with lam. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Qul. Give tawassut first. Qul. Allah. You are giving temporary sukoon on ha because of this waqf, and this temporary sukoon has turned in this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. So that is making it madarid lis sukoon. Makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat. For fatha open jaws. Law. Keep this lam light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law. Make it 2 counts long. He. For kasra, give E sound. Fal. Give hams before fa. For fatha open jaws, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Yeah. Is soft. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ta, very sharp sound. For fatha open jaws. Wak. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha open jaws, attach with kaf. Kaf will kaf will be light. Wakka. Wakka. For fatha open jaws. Lil. For kasra, give E sound, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Mu. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with hamza. Hamza is a sharp letter, so it will give a sharpness. We will give sharpness here. Mu. Sharpness means there is no flow of sound whatsoever. Mu. Ni. For kasra, E sound. Noon. We are giving temporary sukoon of because of this waqf, and this temporary sukoon will bring in tawassut. Nice tawassut here. And this temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. That is called madarat al-sukun. والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب الجحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ هم قوم أن يبسطوا إليكم أيديهم فكف أيديهم عنكم واتقوا الله وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون. ومخرج of wow is circling your lips. ففتح open your jaws. The sound is short. لا lam is short. قد keep off heavy but dal light. فتح open jaws attach to dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is tabaud. When you're aparting your makhraj of dal, that is bringing in qalqala. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws. Ha is heavy for fatha open jaws. They'll keep the light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. The law, make it 2 counts long. Who for the circle ellipse. Me 2 counts long. The 2 counts long. Open your jaws for fatha. Qaf is heavy. The sound is short. Ba for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Ni mad munfasil jaiz. Make it 4 counts long. Is Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa. And it has safir and it is light. Is muttasil wajib 4 counts long. E Hamza is very sharp, make it 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Makhraj of waw is circling a little, fatha open jaws. Ba is very sharp, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. As ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws attached to tha. Tha will get sifa of rakhawa. And tha is light. As na 2 counts long. Min for kasra give e sound attached to noon. Sifa is the word sut, but ruling it is ha. Min hu for the circle ellipse. Mus for the circle ellipse attached with sa. Tha will get sifa of rakhawa. Mus nay for fatha open jaws attached with ya. This is lean, so make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Sh for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Shara, all three should be in one length. Na for fatha open jaws. Qaf is heavy, but here the heaviness of qaf is little lighter because it is with kasra. Ba mad iwad is making it 2 counts long. Wa for wow circle your lips for fatha open jaws. Qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Law keep this lam light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law hu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon only gets sifa of kunna, and this kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni 2 counts too long. Mim is light letter for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. That tawassut is medium flow of sound. La for fatha open jaws. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound. Here on noon, the sifa is tawassut and ruling it is har. In Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Qaf is heavy. For fatha open jaws attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. 2 for Dhamma circle ellipse. Mus for Dhamma circle ellipse attached with Sod. Sod will get sifa of Raqawa and it will be heavy and it has Safir. Mus. And then with Fatha, the Sod will be short. Sa, la, lam is light. That make it 2 counts long. Ta, very sharp sound. For Fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Wa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For Fatha upon jaws. Ah, Hamza is very sharp. Make it 2 counts long. Tai, ta is very sharp sound. No flow of sound or breath here. For Fatha upon jaws, attach it. Yeah, this is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. 2 for Dhamma circle ellipse. Muz for Dhamma circle ellipse attached. Za will get sifa of Rakhawa and Ra is light. Muz. Za for Fatha open jaws. The sound is short with Fatha. Ka 2 counts long, made soft. Ta for Fatha open jaws. The sound is very sharp. Wa makhraj of waw circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. Ah Hamza is very sharp. Make it 2 counts long. Man. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Man, tum for the circle lips. And this is ikhfa shafawi, so keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because there is gunna, akmal gunna. Tum, B for kasra, give E sound. Oru, ra is heavy for the circle lips. So you're not circling your lips for ra, but you're circling your lips for dhamma only. A heavy letter does not require your lips being circled. Oru, su for the circle lips. The sound is short. Li for the circle. For kasra, give E sound, make it 2 count long. Uwa for waw, circle your lips. Makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For fatha upon your jaws. Az, ayn from your throat, attach it. Za will get sifa of raqawa. And raqawa is flow of sound. Az. For fatha upon jaws, attach it. Ra will get sifa of tawassut. And ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Zaw. 2 for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Mu for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Hum for the circle ellipse, attach it. Mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Huwa for makhraj of waw circling your lips. For fatha upon jaws. Aqa. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws, attach it. Qaf. Qaf will get, it is heavy and it will get sifa of qalqala. And qalqala is taba'ud. When you are opening the makhraj of qaf, that brings in qalqala. Aqa. You're just opening the makhraj, but not opening your jaws. Aqa. Urat. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Attached dot. Dot will get sifa of istiqala and raqawa, and it will be heavy. Urat. Urad. Urad. 2 for ta is light for the circle ellipse. Mu keep meme light, but lafz jalala will be heavy and because there is dhamma before it. Mu ha for fatha upon jaws. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut and ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. One dot is heavy. And there is tawassut, so sifa is tawassut, and ruling is ha, one, ha, it is from your throat, and give hams in on ha, sa, for fatha upon jaws, nal, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut first, nal, and then with fatha, the sound is very short. La, u for the circle lips, and the hamza is very sharp. U, kaf. Kaf is light for fatha upon jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of raqawa and hams. Kaf, p with kasra, the sound will be short. Oran, ra is very heavy. Fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws, and then give ikhfa. And this ikhfa is like idhar, but the mechanism matters. Mechanism is not like idhar. Ankum for the circle ellipse attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Say. For fatha upon jaws attached with ya. Here we are bringing in nabar, and nabar is jump up sound. When you are attaching seen with ya, here you are applying nabar. Say, and then kasra with kasra, ya will be normal. E, make it 2 counts long and makes hamza sharp. T for kasra give e sound. Kum for the circular lips attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. مخرج of our circling in your lips for fatha upon jaws. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ude, hamza is very sharp for the circular lips attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Khi for kasra give e sound. Lan for fatha upon jaws and then attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na with fatha, the sound is short. Kum for the circular lips attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. Jan for fatha upon jaws attached with noon, you will get sifa of gunna. Na 2 counts long. Ting. This is ikhfa, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time, and this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Taj for fatha upon jaw attached to jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala, and this qalqala is taba'ud. When you are aparting the makhraj of jim, that brings in qalqala. Taj, iri, 2 counts long, and make ra light because there is kasra on it. Mia, mia, say this kasra sound first and then bring in ikhfa, and ikhfa is hiding the sound of noon, and you're keeping it, you're keeping the tongue straight because this is light ikhfa. Mia, tah. Therefore, ta is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rohawa, and it is light. Tahti for kasra give e sound. Hal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. An hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. This sifa is tawassut and ruling it with ha. Haru. This temporary sukun which we are giving because of the waqf on ra, this has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4. That is making it mad arad sukun. And you're giving tawassut on ra and making ra heavy because there is fatha before it. Fa, give hams on fa with fatha, the sound will be short. Man, this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. Ka, kaf is light for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fa, give hams on fa with fatha, the sound will be short. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on ra. Ba, ba is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached to the ain. Ain only gets sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Da for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give sound, the sound is short. Ka for fatha upon jaws and make it light. Ming for kasra give e sound and then make a ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. Minkum for the circular left static meme, you will get sifa of tawassut, and hukmuhu idhar. Fa, give hams in fa with fatha, the sound is short. Qad, qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Gal, dad is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha, the sound is short. Sa for fatha upon jaws. Wa, 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. As, hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with seen. Seen will get sifa of rakhawa. Seen will get sifa of rakhawa, and it will be light, and it will be, yes, light. As, and with fatha, the sound is short. Sabil, give tawassut on lam because of the temporary sukun. This temporary sukun has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4, and now it is mad arid al-sakun. وَلَقَدْ أَخَذَ اللَّهُ مِيثَاقَ بني إسرائيل وبعثنا منهم اثني عشر نقيبا وقال الله إني معكم لئن أقمتم الصلاة وآتيتم الزكاة وآمنتم برسلي وعزرتموهم وأقرضتم الله قرضا حسنا لأكفرن عنكم سيئاتكم ولأدخلنكم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار فمن كفر بعد ذلك منكم فقد ضل سواء السبيل سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته